Hello and welcome to this episode of the Purity Afya Show. Today we talk about first aid and some of the kits you should be having at home. Our guest is going to introduce himself and tell us why first aid is important before he shows us what we need. Remember to subscribe and like and share this video with families that might need this information. Thank you, sir, for being here. Please tell us your name and the company you're representing today.
Okay, my name is Jonny. Our company is 𝗙𝗵𝗿𝘀 First Aid Solutions Co. Limited. So we are from China. We are manufacturing wound care and first aid kit. Why we produce first aid kit? Because when something happened, some accident happened, you will lose a lot of blood. If you cannot stop your blood in 5 minutes, you will lose your life. So at first time and first place, the first people try to stop the bleeding, then you are survived. So our first kit is designed for different occasion, different purpose. For example, when there's a car accident happened, so you can help yourself or help other people. And also in working place, at home, if you have first kit, you can first time to make your wound get best treatment, then your life survived. So also we have the first kit for home, for traveling, for sports, for outside the door. Also can be for pets. When you have your pets outside, also they need that be cared. So we care the people. We also care animals. This is our first kit. So it's a great product. We hope there's a great market in Kenya. We can do something for Kenya people.
Let's start with for home.
Yeah.
So what do I need as a mom, as families? What kits do we need to have at home and how are they used?
For example, this is a kit, can be for home care. In the home, when something happened, you need first to clean the wound. So we have the alcohol, we have the clean wipe, and if that's a wound, boom, we can treat the wound.
So these are the wipes?
No, this is the bone care.
Okay.
This is the wipe, alcohol wipe. This is the bone care. Also, we have the iPad.
So this is if you hurt your eye?
Yeah. When your eye was get hurt, your iPad. We have this 𝗙𝗵𝗿𝘀𝘁. This is for trauma, for some heavy wound, can stop bleeding at once. Also, we have the we call ice pack, instant cold pack. When you get hurt, it's not. Use this cold pack can calm down your body and make your wound can easily to be treated. So one time, in 7 seconds, become very cold. You can put the wound here.
Traveling, if I'm traveling.
Yeah, traveling is very important. Okay, this is good for traveling. Also, this is good for traveling. For traveling, suppose when you climb mountains, when you have sports, you need this. The first, there are clean wipes. When you get a wound, first clean the wound. And all the wipes.
Yes.
And we also have, excuse me. And we have the vessel. When you're traveling, when you need some help, you can vessel. Also, yes. You can put some stops.
This is mosquito repellent.
Yeah, right. And wound care. So for traveling, it's very important because there's no doctor. If you have some equipment inside, you can help yourself. You can help others. Our kit is at the first time when some accident happened, and the first place and the first people to save yourself or save other people. That's before the professional doctor comes. We do something why we call first aid kit. But before the professional comes, we can help ourselves. We can stop the bleeding. We can make our life good for pet. And this is a blanket. When the pet get a wound, they will lose their temperature. So use the warm blanket to keep the warm. The life can be extended.
Someone would be like, oh, I would love to buy one of them, especially for the traveling. It looks very nice. Where can they buy? Are they anywhere online? How can we make the order?
Right now, we enjoy good market in European countries and China and American countries. But in Kenya, we want to find a partner so we can work together. We can set up our distribution channel so our partner can work here to help us to serve the people here. So that's our purpose. Welcome all the people who has interest so we can work together. We can set up our warehouse. We can set up our peoples here to train the peoples.
All right, thank you so much, sir, for your time.
Welcome.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, and that's it for this episode. I hope you've actually learned for the first time you can have your kit while traveling. At home is very important. Moms, especially, you have children with you. Stopping bleeding saves lives. So let's get ourselves a kit and stay safe. I am Purity Afya Show. Bye-bye for now.